Welcome to Shri Swaminarayan Gyan Kendra School. I am Yuraj from class 2nd. So let's embark on the journey of knowledge with us.
Imagine a place where education ignites curiosity and potential takes flight.
At SSV GYAN KENDRA School, we've been nurturing young minds and fostering excellence for over 2 decades. Established in 2001, we boast a 24-year legacy of academic excellence, consistently ranking amongst the region's top CBSE schools.
We believe a nurturing environment is key. Our spacious campus provides a safe haven for learning, complete with a multi-utility playground and modern facilities, including air-conditioned classrooms with smart TVs in the pre-primary section.
We go beyond academics, employing the innovative Playway method in our pre-primary to ensure holistic development. Our dedicated and highly qualified teachers create a stress-free learning environment, fostering a love for knowledge.
We equip students for the future with state-of-the-art facilities like chemistry, physics, biology, and computer labs featuring the latest technology, a well-stocked library, and a large, well-equipped auditorium for creative expression.
At SSV GYAN KENDRA School, we believe education extends beyond textbooks. We cultivate a vibrant environment that celebrates culture, history, language, and the performing arts, music, drama, and dance. Your child's safety is paramount. Our campus is secure with CCTV surveillance, allowing you peace of mind.
We take immense pride in our thriving alumni network of successful professionals like chartered accountants, architects, software engineers, graphic designers, app developers, doctors, pilots, and even teachers. Many have even landed jobs at top companies like BlackRock, Accenture, and Deloitte, while others have become entrepreneurs launching their very own startups.
We empower dreams at SSV GYAN KENDRA School.
Admissions for the 2024 academic year are now open. Seats are filling fast. Don't miss this opportunity to invest in your child's future. Contact us today.